studio, and hello, thank you for being here. My name is Alyssa Rosenheck. I'm an interiors and architectural photographer, stylist, I'm a cancer survivor, and I'm the author of The New Southern Style. I love a good gallery wall, but what are some unexpected hangs and some alternatives to gallery walls? I'm gonna walk you through some of my favorites. One of my favorite ways to hang art is in between the window casing, in between windows. And we can do so with a very simple art hook right here. Another good tip, if you don't have real estate between your windows, book casings are great too. And it's not only bringing the art to life on your wall, it's an artful display of the art on your wall. An easy tip that does not involve a nail or a hammer is to incorporate leaning art on our kitchen countertops. This is one of my favorite styling tricks that really elevates every kitchen that I'm in. And it blends so beautifully with our wooden elements like bowls, cutting boards that really bring warmth into the space. For more of my tips and tricks, call your local bookstore and reserve your copy of The New Southern Style today. And you could also find me over on Instagram at Alyssa Rosenheck. Bye guys, have a good day.